Welcome to Toolsmet. In today's video, we're taking a look at one of the most essential woodworking machines, the wood lathe machine. A wood lathe machine is used to shape wood by rotating it at high speed while cutting tools are applied. With this machine, you can create perfectly round and symmetrical wooden products with professional accuracy. Wood turning is commonly used to make table legs, chair legs, wooden bowls, handles, decorative items, and many custom woodworking projects. Whether you are a beginner or a professional woodworker, a wood lathe machine is a must-have tool for your workshop. The machine works by holding the wood securely between the drive center and the live center. Once the motor starts, the wood begins to rotate, and the operator uses chisels and gouge tools to carefully shape the material. Some key parts of a wood lathe machine include the motor system, headstock, tailstock, tool rest, and turning centers. All these components work together to deliver smooth cutting, precise control, and a clean finish. One of the biggest advantages of using a wood lathe machine is efficiency. It allows faster production, consistent design, and reduced manual effort while maintaining high-quality results. Wood lathe machines are widely used in small workshops, furniture factories, and professional woodworking studios. They are ideal for both creative wood turning and commercial production. However, safety is very important when working with this machine. Always wear safety goggles, gloves, and make sure the tool rest is properly adjusted before starting. If you're planning to start wood turning or upgrade your woodworking setup, a reliable wood lathe machine can significantly improve your productivity and craftsmanship. For more tool reviews, woodworking guides, and machine explanations, don't forget to subscribe to Toolsmet.